In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot VR performance issues on your PC. Whether you're experiencing lag, poor graphics, or just an overall subpar experience, I'll walk you through some steps that might just be the solution you need. So let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to your search bar on your PC. In the search box, type in Settings and hit Enter. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section called Network and Internet. Clicking on this will bring up various options related to your current internet settings. Next, find the internet connection you're using. This could be your Wi-Fi network or a wired connection depending on how you're set up. When you found it, click on it to reveal more options. Here, you should look for the setting labeled Private Network and click on it. This can sometimes help improve your connection stability, which is crucial for a smooth VR experience. Once that's set, it's important to restart your PC. This ensures all the changes take effect properly. After your computer has rebooted, check to see if there's an improvement with your VR setup. If things are still not up to par, don't worry, we have another method to try. Let's head back to the main settings menu. If you need to, use the back button or reopen the settings from your search bar. This time, click on the section titled System. Within the system settings, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is Display. Go ahead and click on Display, and this will bring up your display settings. Now this next part involves a bit of scrolling. Keep scrolling through your display settings until you reach the bottom where you'll find an option called Graphics. Click on that and you'll see more options appear. One of these will be labeled Change Default Graphics Settings. Select that option and it will take you to yet another screen. Here you'll find a setting for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If this option is turned on, switch it off. Disabling this can sometimes improve how your computer handles VR tasks, particularly if there were conflicts before. As before, once you've made this change, restart your PC again. This will apply the new configuration and hopefully smooth out any issues you've been experiencing with your VR setup. After your computer restarts, give your VR system another try. With any luck, this should have resolved the issues you were facing. However, if you're still encountering problems, it might be worth exploring other settings or even contacting support for your VR hardware to get more personalized assistance. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope these steps were helpful and that you're now able to enjoy a much smoother VR experience.